That guy's tight. Which one has the grate in it? This one has the grate in it. That's your rattler.
You think?
Yeah.
No, it's sewed together. We can't take it apart. That might help. Oh my God. Salvage some of this.
Find some straight pieces.
Now, try to salvage some of this bad stuff. That was one of them that had that hard 90 in it. So I did some creative splitting. That one there got a little small, but he might make a stretcher, but I doubt it. He's awfully wavy.
In this area?
Yeah, I'll just cover right here.
You mind if I film some?
I don't guarantee I know what I'm doing.
That's okay, neither do I.
Have you ever worked with big whirls like the one on the tree?
For bowls and things, yeah. Not for chair parts. But yeah, for bowls and cups, yeah, they're great. Hard to come by, but always interesting to see what's in them.
Take it down from there. Bodger's nightmare.
It is. If you're working wood like this kind of humidity is a real battle for you. I put this in kind of off center on this end because I've got this knot here and the grain's running this way a little bit. I kind of want to take that off. So I got to kind of work my way in slowly here.
Oh, those are hats. Oh, a beautiful locking. Tatum, it's a watch. I have one of these at home. Yeah, you can have mine.